JBI Summary also allows you to merge studies that are identical at the full text screening level. Now what this means is that two reports or two separate studies have been published but have used the same dataset. Now this is quite common in some academic fields. However, in terms of a systematic review, these studies need to be merged because they are using the same core data. Right now, I'm in the screening pane of the top navigation panel, and I've entered the full text screening page. For example, let's just assume that these two studies that are awaiting screening need to be merged because they've used the same dataset. To do this, I can click on the vertical ellipsis icon to the far right of the primary record, which then opens some options to choose from. We'll then click on Merge Studies. This will open up a dialog box with the study we clicked on selected, as well as a list of all the other studies awaiting screening at the full text level. I can then choose any other study that is identical or using the same dataset by ticking the little selection box on the left of the study title to merge these studies together. I will then click the blue Merge button at the bottom right-hand corner of this dialog box, and the studies are now presented in this merge format that lists all the associated references of the primary study we merged. We cannot edit the associated records, but we can add notes by clicking on its vertical ellipsis. To find out more about adding notes, please refer to the next video, Adding Notes to Help with Screening. If you have merged more than two studies and would like to unmerge them, all merged studies will be separated back to their individual records, so it's important to check that you've selected the correct studies to merge. To unmerge a record, click on the vertical ellipsis and select Unmerge Studies. A confirmation check will pop up, warning that all associated notes, critical appraisal results, extractions associated with that merge will be deleted. If we're okay with that, then we can go ahead and click Unmerge.